Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Air Force F143 5B Group C, and we will be presenting our QN theory project for subject QMT342. For the project, our observation is the QN system at Baker Cottage. Before we start, let me introduce our group member for this project. We have 4 members, and they are Muhammad Akil bin Abu Bakar, Muhammad Aiman Azim bin Muhammad Jamil, Muhammad Aiman Fadli bin Zulkafli, and Muhammad Zulkaman bin Roslan. Now we go to introduction part. Firstly is location. Location for Baker Cottage Tapak at 105 Jalan Baduin 3, Bukit Baduin Business Center 3500 Tapak Perak. Secondly is operating time. Operating time for Baker Cottage Tapak is 10 AM until 10 PM. Thirdly is observation time, 8 PM until 9 PM. And lastly, for introduction is number of server is 1. Now we going to service center building and customer waiting time. Okay, this is example for building Baker Cottage and example of customer service and waiting line at Baker Cottage Tapak.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Fadli bin Zulkafli, and my matrix number is 2019214456. So I representing my group to talk about characteristic of queuing system for our project. First of all, queuing system characteristics is divided into 3 sections: arrival, waiting line, and service facility. For arrival characteristics part, the size of population is defined as infinite or unlimited because of the arrival rate is not affected by the numbers of customers in the system. Baker's Cottage is a bakery that sells a lot of cakes, breads and chickens. Based on our research, the pattern of arrival is at random, and we have confirmed that the arrival rate, which is lambda, is equals to 3 customers per 30 minutes. We also noticed the behavior of the arrivals are waiting impatient and disciplined on following the shop rules. Next, for waiting in lines characteristics, the length of line is unlimited since population is unlimited, and the queue discipline is FIFO, which is first in first out, equal to first come first serve. Last but not least, the service facility characteristics are based on system configuration and pattern of service time. For system configuration, the shop operates with single channel with multiple phase, whereby S equals to 1. And for the pattern of service time, Baker's Cottage is in exponential distribution pattern, and research have been done on the customer service, and we get the mu equals to 20 customers per hour.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulkaman bin Roslan, and I will continue about discussion and result. So for basic queuing configuration, the store is using single channel and multi-phase since it has 1 server and 2 queues. So next we look at queuing model. The value of the average number of arrivals per hour, which is lambda, is equal to 6 customer. And the average number of customers or items served per hour, which is mu, is equal to 12 customers. Alright, we continue to the calculation. So the average number of customers of unit in the system, we using the formula L equal to lambda over mu minus lambda, and the result is L is equal to 1 customer per hour. Next, the average number of customers in the queue, we using the formula LQ equal to lambda square over mu bracket mu minus lambda, and the result is LQ equal to 0.5, and it means 1 customer in 2 hours. Next, the average time in customer spend in the system. The formula that we use is W equal to 1 over mu minus lambda, and the and the W is equal to 1 over 6 hours, which means 10 minutes. Next, the average time a customer spend in the queue. The formula is WQ is equal to lambda over mu bracket mu minus lambda. So the WQ is equal to 1 over 12 and is equal to 5 minutes. The utilization factor for the system, which the probability that the service facility is being used. The formula is P equal to lambda over mu. So the answer is P equals to 0.5. And the last, percent of ideal time. The formula is 1 minus P is equal to 1 minus lambda over mu times 100. And the answer is the percent of ideal time is 50%. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Akil bin Abu Bakar, and today I will explain about conclusion. So in this section, I will give a comment on the number of server provided and the customer waiting time. Okay, next we will go to the first question. Is the number of servers provided adequate? The answer is yes, because the store provide ready to eat food, and this will reducing the time it takes to prepare orders and reducing the need for customers to wait in long line. So the server is enough for the store. Right, so we go to the next question. Are the customers are happy with the waiting time? So the answer is the customer happy with the waiting time in Baker's Cottage, because they don't need to spend many time to wait their food served. This is because the service that Baker Cottage serve to us is so fast. Alright, so we will arrive to the last part for this section, and the last part is what we got from this project. So for the first point, we got there is a relationship between service rate and average arrival rate. So the second point said if we need the fast service, we should give more service rate than average arrival rate. So when the service rate is less than the average arrival rate, so the service may be slow. So that what we got from this project.